Hello and welcome to Yulys. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to post a job using your Yulys employer account. So the first step you'll need to do is to log in into your account. So to log in, you just need to click on the Join Now button. After clicking on the Join Now button, it's going to bring you to your login screen where you can log in using either the credentials you created when you were creating your account, or you can log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If you haven't created a new account yet, you just need to click on the sign up button below to create a new account. So we already have an account created, you just need to sign in. Good. So after signing in, you're going to see your Yulys dashboard, and the first interface you will see is the home interface, which just gives you a general overview of your dashboard, where you can see functions like post a job. You can post new jobs. You can schedule an interview by reviewing applicants for your open jobs. You can set your available meeting slots for shortlisted candidates. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to post a job. So to post a job, you can either click on the post a job button on your home interface, or you can click on the post jobs tab on the dashboard. So we're just going to click on post a job. So posting a job in Yulys is in three steps. The first step, you'll need to specify the job title, the industry, and the number of candidates you need. So let's just specify. Okay, let's say in this tutorial I'm looking for a web developer to work let me say in the construction industry. I'm looking for 2 web developers. So after filling this, you need to click on the next. Good. So now you also need to specify the workplace type. Let's say you want it on-site, remote, or hybrid. Let's say remote. The job type, okay, I'm looking for a full-time developer. Country, let's say somebody from let's say United States, and you specify the state, Georgia. Specify the city, let's say Atlanta. So you also, since the job is in the United States, you need to specify the currency. Okay, United States we use USD. Also, you need to specify the minimum salary for this role. Let's say 25,000. Maximum, let's say 55,000. Also, you need to specify the salary type. Is it monthly, hourly, yearly? So let's say a yearly salary. Good. So after filling this, you need to click on next. In case you made a mistake, you can click previous to go back to the first step to correct, or if everything is good, you just need to click next. Good. On the next and the final step, you need to just specify the skills that you're looking for. So let's take, for example, for this role, I'm looking for somebody with good communication skills. Okay, so it's a drop down where you can select an ad. So all what you need to do is just to type in what you have, what you want in mind, and check if it's found there. Okay, time management skills is there. Let's say collaboration. Good, collaboration is there, or you can select this too. So let's take collaboration. Also in the job description section, you just need to put in all what the job requires. Yeah, so let's just say for this tutorial, I just want somebody with a bachelor's degree in computer science. And also you can also select put in all what the person is going to be doing, as this title says, job description. Good. Also, you can also put in some screening questions, like what you want the candidate to know before coming in for an interview. Some questions that you expect the candidates to to answer. Like, for example, what's your highest level of education? That's some questions. Um, what are your salary expectations? So we can add those two questions. So after filling the third step, you can either post the job if you're confident that everything there is good, or it's generally advisable to click on the preview button, which just shows you all the steps that you have filled to check if you have made a mistake and you can correct that mistake. So let's take for example, okay, yeah, employment type. So I think everything is good. If everything is good, you can click on the post the job, which just posts the job bed. If it's not good, you can click on the previous button here to take a step back and maybe do the necessary corrections. So everything is good. I'm just going to click on post job. So if your job has been successfully added, on your dashboard, you can come to your posted jobs interface to see the jobs that you have posted. Like, okay, I've posted 2 jobs, web developers. Good. So you can see it on this screen. And also, if you still made a mistake, if there's something that you forgot to add, you can click the edit button here to edit and maybe correct that mistake, or you can click the delete button here to delete the job. So click in your delete button, just deletes a job that you've created. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to follow us for more tips on finding your dream job and getting the best talent for your company. Goodbye.